Hey there, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to set up the PRRs. And so what I've got here is I've updated the list of the PRR checklist. And so there's going to be a Windows 10 side and a Xbox side. And this list may change as we go on. We may find that some of the checklist items aren't needed anymore. So ultimately, I will put this list on my other monitor, assuming you're using 2 monitors. And then I'll go into, let me close this down. I'm just in the middle of updating the checklist now, but you're going to want to go to Big Park NFL Ops and then NFL Release. And you'll end up on the Conversations tab, and then you'll want to click the PRR Checklist. And so this checklist is actually made out of the Microsoft Planner plugin. So I added this tab, and then I started populating the checklist here. So when you want to create a new release, you can just add a new bucket. So let's say we were doing the release for R30. I would just say X1, PRR, R30, and then R30 is our release build. And then I would go and add, for example, all of my PM tasks, PM prod. So I would add that, and then I would click here, and then I would do checklist, add item. So I'm going to go to my checklist and start adding. I'm just going to copy the cell. So like this, I'll just copy the cell, and then I'll paste it right in here. And then if you hit enter, it'll go to the next line. Make sure you click show on card, and it'll show up on the card over here. And then you just go down that list. So go back to the prod, and then click here, paste, enter, so on and so forth. You don't need to save, you just need to exit out of there. And then if I want to make the next part of the checklist, I would just click that again, click dev, and again go into the card, and then just start copying and pasting from the cell over to here. One of the limitations of Microsoft Planner is that they don't let you duplicate cards or columns or anything. So all of this needs to be manually added as per release, and hopefully we're not planning on having a whole lot of releases this year, but whenever there is a release, somebody does have to go in here and update these tasks. And then from now on, I believe you can share this. Let's see, is this the share button? Copy link to tab, yeah. Might want to test that out, but you can share that with the team, and the team just needs to go in here, and whenever they finish a part of that checklist, just hit check, and then when all of this is finished, then ideally the producer and the PM will do this final sign off in the ops area, and then that'll be done for the PRR. So I'm just going to go back and uncheck this to bring it back, and that's it. Okay, thanks.